Welcome to this new unboxing video from Murang Gamit Online. For today, we're going to be unboxing the new PK900 gaming keyboard. Pero syempre, don't forget to subscribe to my channel mga chong. Okay, so yun na nga, nasira na yung aking lumang keyboard. Syempre, kailangan natin ng bago. So I tried to go to Lazada to check for a new keyboard na pwede kong ipalit dun sa luma ko. And since I'm mostly into gaming, as you can see in my streams, so I tried to check for some game keyboards. Initially, I was looking for a mechanical keyboard pero masyado siyang mahal. 1,500, 2,000, 4,000, 6,000. Kaya nga siya Murang Gamit Online to look for those that we can use na much lower yung price. And then I stumbled upon this PK900. According to the manufacturer, parang mechanical keyboard daw yung magiging feel ng keyboard na to. And as you can see, 622 pesos lang to. So murang-mura na. If you wanna know kung kanino ko to nabili, just go to the description of this video. O siya, tama na maraming sat-sat, buksan na natin to. So, first look sa keyboard, solid na solid to, medyo mabigat kasi nagawa sa bakal. Yung mga keys niya, looks plastic. Tsaka unang impression ko parang hindi ganun kalinaw yung mga letters na nandun sa keys. And sa height ng mga keys, it's more than the usual na we are used to, di ba? So, medyo mataas to eh. Although, okay lang naman. Meron din siyang lalagyan ng cellphone para yung cellphone mo hindi kakalat-kalat kung saan-saan. Kapag naman flip over natin yung keyboard, makikita natin yung mga risers na nasa likod, which changes the angle of the keyboard para yung kamay mo hindi madaling mga. For this keyboard, wala namang kakaiba sa kanya sa pagkabit mo sa iyong PC kasi it uses yung typical na USB Type-A. So now it's time for us to put the palm rest in place. So I'll just double the speed so we don't have to spend so much time on this one.